algebraic identities. First identity, that is a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second one, a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Next, third identity, a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. Now last, x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. Example, expand the following by using suitable identity. Option A, x plus 3 whole square. B, 2y minus 7 whole square. Option C, p plus 4q into p minus 4q. Next option, option D, 1 by x plus 2 whole square. Next, option E, x by 3 minus y by 2 whole square. Last option, option F, 9m by 2 minus m by 5 into 9m by 2 plus n by 5. Now we are going to solve option A, that is x plus 3 whole square. So it is in our formula. What is that formula, sir? Right, that is a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now once compare it, x value is a, next b value is 3. Now I am going to substitute in the formula. When I substituted in the formula, what is the value of a? A value is x, b value is 3. So what we got? X plus 3 whole square is equals to x square. A value is x, so that's why x square plus 2 into a value is x, b value is 3. So 2 into x into 3 plus b value is 3. So 3 square. Now what we can get? Right, x square plus 2 3s are 6x plus 3 square in the sense 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. So what we got the equation? X square plus 6x plus 9. Okay. Now next, option B. What is the option B? 2y minus 7 whole square. By seeing this, can you get the formula? Right. Your second identity, that is a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now once compare it, a value is 2y, right? Next, b value is 7. Now substitute a value and b value in the formula. What we can get? 2y minus 7 whole square is equals to a value is 2y whole square minus 2 into a value is 2y, b value is 7. 2 into 2y into 7 plus b value is, right, 7 square. Now once multiply 2y into 2y, what we can get? 2 2s are 4y square minus, here what are the constant terms we have? Right, that is 2 into 7. 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28y plus 7 square in the sense 7 7s are 49. Right, what we got the equation? 4y square minus 28y plus 49. Okay. Now we are going to the option C, that is P plus 4Q into P minus 4Q. By seeing this, are you getting any identity? Are you remembered any identity? Right, that is A plus B into A minus B is equals to A square minus B square. Your third identity. Once compare. Yes, A value is P and B value is 4Q. Now A value and B value I am going to substitute in the formula. When I substituted in the formula, what I got? P plus 4Q into P minus 4Q is equals to, right, P square minus B value is 4Q. 4Q square. So what we can get? Right, P square minus 4 4s are 16. So 16Q square. Okay. Now we are going to the option D, that is 1 by x plus 2 whole square. It is in the form of, right, what is that identity? That is the first identity, that is A plus B whole square is equals to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Once compare with that, right, A value is 1 by x, B value is 2. Now A value and B value you can substitute in the formula. Right, what we can get? 1 by x plus 2 whole square. So A value is 1 by x whole square plus B value, right, 2 into 1 by x into 2, because B value is 2. Still plus B value is 2. So 2 square. So what we can get? When we simplify it, we will get 1 by x square plus, here we can get the constant terms, 2 2s are 4. 4 into 1, 4. So 4 by x plus 2 square in the sense, 2 2s are 4. 4 into 1, 4. 4 by x plus 2 square in the sense, 2 2s are 4. So what we got? 1 by x square plus 4 by x plus 4. Okay. Now we are going for option, next option, that is E. What is it? X by 3 minus y by 2 whole square. By seeing this, can you get the identity? Can you remember that identity? Right, that is identity number 2. That is A minus B whole square is equals to A square minus 2AB plus B square. Now compare it. A value is x by 3 and B value is y by 2. Now A value and B value we are going to substitute in the formula. Right, that is A minus B whole square is equals to A square minus 2AB plus B square. We are going to substitute in this formula. Right, that is x by 3 minus y by 2 whole square is equals to x by 3 whole square minus 2 into A value is x by 3, y value is y by 2 plus B value, what is the B value? Right, y by 2 whole square. Now simplify it. Right, when you are going to simplify, here we have a cancellation terms, that is 2 and here y by 2. 2 are going to get cancelled. Right, now what we can get? X by 3 whole square in the sense x square by 3 square. 3 square means 3 3s are 9. Next, what are the terms left over in the middle? Right, that is x and y in the numerator. So what we can get? Xy by 3 means minus xy by 3 plus y square in the sense y by 2 whole square means what we can get? Y square by 2 square means 4. What we can get the equation? X square by 9 minus xy by 3 plus y square by 4. Next option, that is 9m by 2 minus n by 5 into 9m by 2 plus n by 4. It is in the form of, can anyone? Right, that is your next identity, that is a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. Right, now once compare it, what you can get the a value? A is equals to 9m by 2. What the value of b now? Right, that is n by 5. Now substitute a value and b value in the identity. Now what we can get? 9m by 2 minus n by 5 into 9m by 2 plus n by 5 is equals to, what we can get? 9m by 2 whole square minus n by 5 whole square. Right, now 9m whole square in the sense 9 9s are 81 m square by 4 minus n by 5 whole square in the sense n square by 5 square in the sense 5 5s are 25. Right, example, evaluate the following by using suitable identity. Option A 103 whole square, option B 97 whole square, option C 102 into 98. Now we are going to solve option A, that is 103 whole square, means 103 whole square. How you can expand 103? Right, that is 100 plus 3 whole square. Now it is in identity, it is in the form of one identity. What is that identity? Right, that is the identity number 1, that is a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now once compare it, a is equals to 100, b is equals to 3. Now a value and b value substitute in the form, then what we can get? Right, 103 whole square is equals to 100 square plus 2 into 100 into 3, means a value is 100 and b value is 3. Next, plus 3 square. Okay, now 100 square in the sense, right, very good, that is nothing but 10,000 plus 2 into 100 into 3, 2 3s are 6, 6 into 100, 600 plus 3 square in the sense 3 3s are 9. Students, can you add this and say what you are going to get without using a calculator? Right, very good. Your answer is 10,609. Next, now next option, option B 97 whole square is equals to, you are going to expand in 100 minus 3 whole square. Right, now it is in the identity, one of the identity. Can you remember that? Right, very good, that is identity number 2. A minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Can you compare it? Right, a is equals to 100, b is equals to 3. Now a value and b value substitute it in the form. Right, 97 whole square is equals to 100 square minus 2 into 100 into 3 plus 3 square. Right, now can you simplify it? 100 square in the sense, right, very good, 100 square in the sense 10,000 minus 2 into 100 into 3 can be written as a 2 3s are 6, 6 into 100 can be written as a 600 plus 3 square in the sense 3 3s are 9. Now can you add? Students, can you simplify this without using calculator? Right, very good, 9,409. Now we are going next option, that is option C, 102 into 98. How you can write this? Right, 100 plus 2 into 100 minus 2. It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. Now can you compare it? A is equals to 100 and b is equals to 2. Now substitute in the form. What we can get? Right, 100 square minus 2 square. 100 square in the sense, students, can you? Right, very good. 100 square in the sense 10,000 minus 2 square in the sense 4. Now 10,000 minus 4, what we can get? Right, very good. 9,996. Example, evaluate the following by using x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. Option A, 101 into 103. Option B, 102 into 97. Option C, 99 into 98. Now we are going to solve the first one, that is option A, 101 into 103. How you can expand this? Can you write in the expanding form? Right, very good. That is 100 plus 1 into 100 plus 3. Very good. It is belongs to one of the formula, that is x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. Can you compare it? X is equals to 100, a is equals to 1 and b is equals to 3. Now substitute in the formula. What we can get? 100 square, because x value is 100, so 100 square plus 100 into 1 plus 3, because a value is 1 and b value is 3, plus 1, a value is 1, b value is 3, 1 into 3. Student, can you simplify it? 100 square means? Right, very good. 100 square in the sense 10,000 plus 100 into 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 how much? 4. 4 into 100. 400. Plus 1 into 3. 3. Students, can you simplify this? Without using calculator. Right, very good. 10,000. 403. Option B, that is 102 into 97 is equals to 100 plus 2. 97 can be written as a 100 minus 3. Now you can see this is in the formula. What is that formula? Right. X plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. Compare it. X is equals to 100, a is equals to 2 and b is equals to 3. Right? 102 into 97 is equals to, now substitute x values in the equation. Then what you can get? Instead of x, what we can write? 100 square plus 100 into 2 plus of minus 3. Right, b value is minus 3 plus 2 into minus 3. Now students, can you guess what we can get 100 square? Can you multiply it? Right, very good. 100 square is 10,000 plus 100 into 2 plus into minus, minus 3 means 2 minus 3. Here you can see 2 3s are 6 plus into minus, right, minus. Very good. Next, 10,000 plus 100, 2 minus 3, what we can get? Right, minus 1. 100 into minus 1 minus 6. Students, can you simplify it? Right, very good. What we can get? 10,000 plus into minus, minus 100 into 1, 100 minus 6. Students, can you simplify this one? Right, what we can get the result? 9,894. Very good. Option C, 99 into 98 is equals to, how you can write? Right, 100 minus 1 into 100 minus 2. Now it is in one of the identity. Can you guess it? Right, that is x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. Now once compare it, x is equals to 100, a is equals to 1, b is equals to 2. But when you compare here we have only positive term, right? So a value is minus 1 and b value is minus 2, right? 99 into 98 is equals to, now we are going to substitute the x value. X value is 100. So 100 square plus 100 into a value is minus 1 plus of minus 2 plus minus 1 into minus 2. 100 square in the sense 10,000 plus 100 open bracket minus 1 plus into minus minus 2 close the bracket. Here minus into minus, what we can get? Right, that is plus 2 1s are 2 plus 2, right? 10,000 100 into minus 1 minus 2, what we can get? Minus 3 plus into minus minus 3 into 100, 300 plus 2. Students, can you simplify it? What we can get the result? Right, that is 9,702.